Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to clip in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open an official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started clipping our tracks in GarageBand. The first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up the official audio record option right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. That's going to open up this recording menu, where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle to start recording our tracks and so on. And here in the upper left corner we have this middle button that's going to open up this edit mode, and in the edit mode we can find all the tracks we have created. As you can see, I have my audio recordings right here, my keyboard, drums, and so on. So basically guys, if you want to clip any of your tracks, split them, do whatever you want, you're going to go ahead and find the track right here, and what you want to do is tap on the track. So after tapping on the track, it's going to open up this new menu where we can find all the options that we have. And guys, the option we want to use for clipping is this split option right here. So by clicking split, you can now split your track wherever you want, and once you're finished with splitting guys, you can do whatever you want with it, such as copying, cutting, pasting, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.